Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kanika, and in this video I shall be sharing how you can use your metallic waxes with Prima molds and how you can use these waxes with other products, and I shall also be sharing the swatches of these waxes. So this video is in collaboration with Joyful Creations, so do check her channel. And if you want to know how to make DIY embellishments for your cards, you can watch the video, the link is in description box. So let's get started. So for the swatches, I have applied black gesso on my heavy white cardstock, and I shall be sharing the first color, that is the old silver, and these are the swatches of the old silver on the white and on the black background. So you can have a look that what the old silver looks on the white background and how the old silver looks on the black background. So here is a close-up. So now moving on to the next color, which is vintage gold. So here I'm using my different finger. You can use the waxes with your fingers as well as you can use your dabbing brushes. So while using waxes with your fingers, you can highlight, whereas while using with the dabbing brush, you can color your whole background. So now moving on to the next color, this is the red amber color. Also, another reason of using these waxes are because of their fragrances. I just love the fragrance that these waxes have. If you have any queries related to any craft related supplies, you can comment and I shall reply to your queries. Now moving on to the fourth color, this is the old denim and the new release. And if you want to see the unboxing haul of these beautiful waxes in the Prima mold, then do check out my video number 47. In that video, I just unboxed my new craft supplies from Prima Marketing. So these are the 4 basic colors which I use, and I have showcased the swatches. Now let's move on to the molds, that how these waxes look on the molds. So first I'm taking this white flower. This is the Prima Marketing mold, and I have used the Sakura clay. So if you want to know how to use and make molds from different materials, do check out video number 50. So firstly, I'm covering my different bases with the help of gesso. So on the flourish, I am just applying the white gesso. And now for the Sakura clay flower and the hot glue flourish, I am going to use my black heavy gesso. Also, if you're enjoying this video, then do hit the like button, and also if you're new, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So now after these are dried, I shall be using my waxes. So for the first color which I'll be using is this old silver color. So firstly, I will use my old silver wax onto my white background, and then I shall share the wax, how the wax looks on the black background, that is the black with the Sakura clay, and then the black with the hot glue mold. Now moving on to the black Sakura clay flower. So this is how it looks on the black. This is the Sakura clay, and next I will be using my hot glue onto the black background itself. Also, we have a giveaway happening, so do check out the description and participate. Using your waxes with the fingers, you highlight your project, and that's what I'm doing here. As the background is black, so on the areas which are raised or have 3D dimensions, the waxes are getting covered. So now moving on to the next color, this is the vintage gold color. So this is how the vintage gold looks, and now I will be covering all the 3 molds with the vintage gold wax. Also, if you want to buy these products, that are the waxes or these molds, the link is in description box. So the links are valid for national as well as international purchases, so you can check that out. A lot of uses of these waxes. You can cover your mixed media projects fully with these waxes. You can use these waxes to highlight your projects. Also, you can just cover your molds with these waxes and then layer your projects. and it's not compulsion to just use these waxes with your Prima molds. Moreover, you can make your mixed media projects, altered projects, and a lot of more things with these waxes, and there are a lot of colors more available. Now moving on to the next color, this is the red amber color. So I'll just quickly cover this color as well onto my white and onto my black background. Also, if you want to see more detailed mixed media tutorial, then stay tuned as we are soon coming up with an amazing live class. That will be a live session on our YouTube channel, and there you will learn a mixed media project. Can you guess what project I am coming up with? Comment down and share your guesses. I would love to see. So now moving on to the fourth and the last color. This is the old denim color, and this is the new release. This is how the waxes look differently onto the white and onto the black background. And now coming up for the shout out. So today's shout out says, hello, I just love how quickly you demonstrated tutorial, and this is amazing. The most required video as per current trends, best video for beginners, best hacks for that is mixed media. Thanks for sharing. First of all, thanks for appreciating my silicone mold video, and yes, soon the video related to mixed media is coming out. Stay tuned as we are doing a live session. So see you until next time. Happy crafting.